Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinx, and in today's video we'll be doing something a little bit different from what we usually do here in this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Afrobeat, Wizkid type of Afrobeat, and it's going to be a series which we'll be starting with this one, of course, and we'll be focusing on how to lay down the drums, the percussions, things to have in mind, the tricks, the tips you need to get it sound so professional like you hear it on the radio and on Spotify and all these online stores. So if you are interested to follow me on this journey, sit tight and enjoy. Welcome back. So now I'll be starting from scratch to demonstrate to you how you can easily and quickly lay down Afrobeat percussions and drums. I'll use 117, and the first thing I need to do is to bring in a rim shot. Now, how do I lay down the rim shot? To break it down and make it a little bit simpler for you, just have this concept in mind. I'm gonna turn on the metronome and I'll show you what I mean. As you can hear, the metronome is reading 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what do we need to do here? Before the fourth count, you need to add this pattern. Pa, pa, pa. Alright, let me go further to show you what I mean. As you can see, I place this pa, pa, pa before the end of that one bar. 3, 1, 2, 3, pa, pa, pa. So that is the first thing you have to have in mind. Then once you've achieved that, the next thing to add is the beginning part of it. So as you can see, I added pa, pa, pa. Then this comes in and I repeated it again. Now, variety is actually the key when it comes to Afrobeat. Just be adding something new, something different from what is already existing. And in this rim, I will edit it a little bit, but I don't want to have this rim played here. I was just demonstrating something. That was the reason why I placed it here, for clearer understanding. So I will delete everything here. And I will use this place. So let's add a pattern. Let's call it rim. Now we've gotten this. The reason I wanted to lay it here is because I want to utilize this swing, because this swing helps it to sound a little bit natural and not like something programmed with a DAW, with a computer. So at this fourth one, I will make it unique. Then I'll add pa pa pa. Then I need to do something like this here. Okay, I think I also need to add something here. Okay, now we've gotten our rim laid down. I will add a little bit of swing to it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add is the shaker. Now there is this popular shaker everybody uses. It's a loop. So just not to stress yourself, but you can still create yours. So we just drag in the shaker. So as you can see, everything is coming together. And one thing I forget to tell you guys is this: it is very, very important to invest in samples, very good samples. As you can hear what I'm programming right now, it's already sounding like it is mixed and mastered just because I'm using a high and well polished sample. I think I have a pack from one of these guys and who has a very, 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 very good sample pack for Afrobeats. I would encourage you guys to check him out. OY Productions. Get yourselves amazing sample packs for Afrobeats. So guys, let's continue. Now we've gotten our shaker. Now we've laid down our rim, our shaker. The next thing I will add is something a little bit thicker that will help push that rim, give it a little bit of weight. So what I will do here is I will come over here, Control A, Control C, copy it, go to the piano roll, Control V, and paste. And I'm gonna do the same thing to this section right here. The same to the other sections and the last one. Great. Good. Now I'm gonna balance it a little bit. I'm gonna make the rim, hide a little bit. Okay, that's all right. Nice. So the next thing I'm gonna bring in is, if you have a loop percussion, you just throw it in. But if you don't have a loop percussion, you can create your own, right? So in this case, I have a loop percussion. So all I just need to do is to drag it in. If it is not on the tempo, you set it to tempo. I have a tutorial on how you can match the tempo with the project. So you set it. Once you set it, give it a balance. So what is going on here is just addition of percussion going boom, 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 with a little bit of more shakers. We've gotten the shaker, the rim, the pad, and a percussion. After that, the next thing I feel like to add is a little bit aggressive snare, that will just come in once in a while and stop. So now let's program that. Let's call it snare. All right, so I've gotten how it's gonna come. So let's lay it down. All right, let me add that. So, as you can see, the idea is just to add as much as you can, but make sure you are not overdoing it. Because Afrobeat is all about more of the percussions, the weight, and then the rhythm. All right. So now we've gotten this. I one more thing I feel like to add here is all right, guys. So now I'm okay with the percussions, and I'll just have to look for a clap, a very good clap. Uh, okay, I think this will do the magic. About the clap, all right, it's gonna be so loud, and I need to add reverb to it. Lots of weight. Turn off the dry. Make it a little bit stereo. And I'm good. So all right, for now, all these things I'm adding will still be worked on. Okay, guys, I did a little bit of corrections here and there, trying to set it and balance it so well. It's not really easy to be talking and trying to program this at the same time. So the next thing we'll be looking at is the kick, which will now bring in more groove to this. So let's get a kick. All right, I'm gonna use this. This sounds okay for me. I'll just insert one channel at the top, and there I call it kick. Let's come up with a groove, a pattern. So guys, now we've gotten the kick, the shaker, the percussions, and all that. So I might add some things as I progress. When I feel something is not sitting right, I might change it or I might tweak it to have a better sound so as to blend well with the entire beat. Let me look for a good snare, like a jazz kind of snare will be very good to achieve what I want. So let me look for that. Nope. Okay. I need to put this in key. All right, let's try something with that. All right, so this point, I need to get a cymbal. Okay, that's not bad. And that will be the, let me name this Afrobeat tutorial. So as you can see, I'm actually producing this right in front of you guys, like from scratch. In time, we're gonna add more drum rolls. So, but this is just like the basics, you know. We've gotten the rim, the supporting snare, the clap, the shaker, a little bit of roll, though not really perfect for now, but that would do. So guys, that will be it for today's tutorial. The next will be the second series where we'll be bringing in the rhythm and the bass and all that. So as we progress, the third series will be bringing in effects, make it sound like a finished beat. Then the next will be voicing it. The next will be mixing, mastering till we finish this project, together. So guys, if you enjoyed it, leave your like and leave your comment. Feel free to ask anything you want. It's like we are learning together. Maybe I skipped some things, I forgot to say some things because I'm not really the best when it comes to tutoring, but I'm just trying my best to show you how I make Afrobeats. So that is it, guys. See you guys in the next one. Stay creative and bye bye.